at the ringside, Max DeLuca scores the bout 115 to 113 in favor of Mario Barrios.
Split ito, split.
Judges at ringside, Steve Weisfeld and Tim Cheatham both score the bout 114 to 114. The decision is a majority.
Draw!
Ang galing!
Draw eh.
And of course, in that case, the champion
Retains
his title.
Walang talo. Walang nanalo, walang nanalo.
Nagbu yung tao.
Depende
yan.
to retain his belt, but you hear the crowd's reaction to this fight. And look, you said 115, 113. He swept all the last 3 rounds, but Bob Santos told him, and we did the math here, and I said he needs the last 3 rounds for a draw. He did what he needed to do against the legend. All right, Jim Gray with Manny Pacquiao.
All right, thank you very much. Manny Pacquiao congratulating the corner of Barrios. Manny, your thoughts on that decision?
I thought I won the fight. I mean, it's close fight.
It is close.
But it's a wonderful fight. Good.
You're a 36-year-old man, and you had stamina back like when you were 35. How did you manage to pull that off?
Oh, just
Gumanda yung stamina niya ngayon, totoo lang.
hard work and then discipline, everything like that. And I have to keep my body shape as always.
What more do you think you could have done so that it didn't come down to the hands of the judges?
More aggressive.
I'm sorry.
What more do you think you could have done so that you wouldn't have had it come down to the hands of the judges?
Oh, I'm trying to find a way to finish the fight, but my opponent is so tough and great. He's not careless.
It is what it
He
is.
draw punches combination and with defense. So it's hard, getting hard, but I just moving around and counter punch, power punch.
Actually, hindi counter puncher yung kalaban niya. Hindi ganun ka-tough na kagaya ni Marquez na counter puncher talaga. Doon yung kahinaan niya. Mabagal pa ito. Kaya na syempre, age na rin siya.
It's inspiration to like old boxers that when you have discipline and hard work, you can still fight, and I'm so thankful to God, because without God, Manny Pacquiao is not here. God is the source of all the strength and good health that I have.
What enabled you to be better tonight than you were 4 years ago?
Tonight, I'm more experienced. I'm more tactical fighter than before. I'm more careless than when I was young. So now I'm more careful, and I need to, although this is my first comeback, but I need more aggressive style
More
and
aggressive
more
dapat.
punches, throwing punches.
Yes,
Because
Kasi yung kalaban niya, dapat nakita ng team niya na hindi agreso.
what will you do now?
Nakaabang lang lagi. Ngayon, pag niraratrap niya, nawawala rin sa pace.
Will you fight again? Di ba sabi
I know the fans will get there. I only have a 2
Ang
months
first draw pala na si
training.
Marquez.
What I need to do is continue my training. In a championship fight like this, I should train 4 months, 3 months and a half, so that the
Kasi
fight
doon
will
lang may
be
politics.
good. But because of election in the Philippines, I start late for my training, but it's okay. I love the Filipino people, and I love to give honor to my country.
So you'd like to continue your career? Would you like a rematch?
Yes, of course. That's the only legacy that I can leave behind.
Talaga mag-i-rematch sa taong nanood na yan.
And to be proud wherever you are.
Manny, congratulations. This was an awesome performance. Appreciate you. Thank you. Mario, a draw. Your feelings on the draw?
Bido!
Bino! Bino!
But I still tip my hat to to Manny. It was an absolute honor, you know, to share the ring with him, to share the ring with somebody, you know, with so much experience, who has accomplished so much in this sport, man. And shout out to all the Mexican fans here. Shout out to all the Filipinos, you know, for supporting this event. It's just huge, you know. By far, you know, the biggest event I've had to date. And you know, we still came in here. We left everything in the ring. And you know, like I said, tip my hat to Manny. Nothing but love and respect.
Yeah.
How would you assess his stamina for a
Consecutive.
46-year-old man when he's surprised by it?
Oh, absolutely. Crazy.
Sabihin na hindi siya ganun fighter na
He could still crack.
Natatakutan mo.
He's still strong as hell. And you know, his timing, his rhythm, everything. He was still a very awkward fighter, you know, to try to figure out.
Did you feel you were falling behind round 7, 8, 9, like it was getting away from you?
Not necessarily that it was getting away from me. I just knew, you know, I had to try to step it up to really, you know, to solidify a win.
You won the last 3 rounds on all the scorecards to enable this draw and to win on one of the judges' cards. How cognizant of that fact were you?
Very. You know, I was going to the corner. Rich and Bob were telling me, you know, pick it up. You know, started really, you know, pressing him. That was the plan in the first place coming in here. You know, trying to make him feel old, but man, he still has some good legs. Still has a lot in the tank, and like I said, man, he still has a lot of fight left in him.
You'd like a rematch? Will you give him one?
Absolutely. This was huge, you know, for boxing. This is huge, you know, what me and him were able to bring here today. I would love to do it again.
Mario, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back to ringside. Bernardo?
Thank you, Jim. And this was the second fight where Mario Barrios won round 12 to salvage a draw and keep his belt. And what a great night of action it was in Las Vegas. 46-year-old Manny Pacquiao defied the odds, but not enough. And tonight, we come away with the feeling
Not
that
enough.
Manny Pacquiao still has something left in the tank. For Abner Mares, Brian Campbell, Joe Goose, and Brian Custer, the entire crew that worked so hard to bring you this show, I'm Bernardo Osuna. Until next time.
Pwede po,
Iba yung sa akin, iba yung kanta.